Hey everyone, it's your boy Doc Williams, and we're going to be talking about how to build your brand using Amazon Live. Now, if you haven't heard of Amazon Live, or this is the first time you're seeing it, if you go to amazon.com/live, you can be seeing creators doing this right now and earning money. So what exactly is it? Well, to begin with, it allows Amazon influencers to live stream and earn commissions. This is a really big thing in China, and having influencers start doing that live. So imagine like having your own QVC or your own live show when you're showing off products, but the influencer can do that by just using their phone. That's what you're going to be able to do. And you're going to be able to be showcased on Amazon and in front of one of the biggest networks of people just buying and looking to buy right then and there. As you're going live, you can actually be in front of them on the page, depending on what your rank is and what you're selling, to be highlighted before they purchase. And if they decide to click on your video and then watch before they purchase, you can be getting a commission. So to get started, you can join the Amazon Influencer Program. And I've done this. There's going to be a link somewhere down below. I talked about this before, but right now I'm at the rank of insider right now. So I'm trying to get to the next level. I had to get 2,000 followers. Right now I'm at 17 followers. And so I'm in the insider tier, but you can get started right here. And then again, if you're already an influencer, you can download the app and start going live. So some of the perks that you get to have when you're using this is, number one, it's a great experience, and you get to interact with people that are looking to buy. So people can ask you questions when you go live, all those different things. And what I would suggest, say for instance, I go live talking about the camera that I'm using, the mic, and sometimes I'm just doing other things. I'm building an app because I just ran out of things to say, like, oh, here's the volume. I will tell people like, hey, I'm using this mic to time. And if people have questions on it, I answer, and then I just go about my business talking about me building my own brand. And that's how I go live. Everyone's a little bit different. So you can earn commissions. It tells you exactly how much you're making in the app. And then again, depending on the rank that you get different perks. And if you look at leveling up, if the next level that I'm at, I believe I can start going to like different live events. So you have the Rising Star one, where you're eligible for the app itself. You can share links and earn commissions that way. You're eligible to get followers, to receive notifications. Your live streams are eligible to automatically appear on Amazon Live site and your influencer storefront. And that's another thing. That's another way of building your brand. So for me, when I'm talking about podcasting, live streaming gear, I already have my gear that I suggest. So I can be sending them to my store, what I use currently, all of those things. And I have it for podcast and live stream. And then I have it for vlogging. And then when I'm live streaming, they'll see all those things. So I can earn commission if I'm live or not. I just send people from my YouTube. If people are interested in what to buy or the gear that I get, I send that. And then when I'm live, they'll see this on the page as well. Going to the next part where it's looking at insider, you can look at the rising. You get everything from the Rising Stars, but right here, you get all Rising Star level placements. You get product detail pages of the product featured on your in your live stream as well. So that's a good thing. And the Amazon Live site top of page placement. So you actually now get to be in a more prestigious spot so people can see what you're doing. And again, this page, you'll be able to be recognized so more people can find you here, which is pretty awesome. And then when you're at the A list, you're able to go to special access to Amazon Live events and opportunities, proprietary support for the Amazon Live creator team. Your live streams are eligible to appear on all of the Rising Star and Insider placements and the Amazon.com homepage. So once you get to this level, now you're going to be everywhere, if you're chosen during times like that. So that's a huge other avenue right here. And I don't see a lot of people taking full advantage of this. If you're already live streaming, you should just already have this available to start live streaming from there. If you want more information on what the app looks like and you want more details, let me know in the comment section down below. We do that on our secondary channel when we deep dive and start talking about these things. But if you're interested in more of this and how this can be part of your brand, like, definitely let me know. Now, this is just one idea how to build out your brand or to make sure that you're expanding. I also have a link down below for the 50 plus high profit side hustles that you can be including with your brand or to try them out yourself. It's a free resource guide. So down below, you can just get access to it. Just click down below and you'll be able to do this. Remember, in the comment section down below, let me know what you're building, what kind of brand you're building, what kind of streams of income are you looking to have? Because again, if you're not already part of using Amazon or having that so you can drive commissions or try Amazon Live, you're missing out. So take a look, start now to take advantage of it. And let me know if you have any comments, anything in the comment section down below. And if you like these kind of videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week, and I'll see you in the next video.